Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Trello's Butler rules and commands, your ultimate guide for 2025. First things first, let's create a rule. To do this, navigate to the board you want to apply the rule to and click on Butler. Choose the Rules tab and click Create a New Rule. This step is essential because it helps you automate tasks on your board, saving you time and energy. Now that we've done that, specify your trigger. This could be anything from a new card being added, a due date being set, or a label being assigned. The reason we do this is to tell Butler when to perform a particular action. Next up, we need to set the action. This is what Butler will do when the trigger event occurs. For example, if you want Butler to comment on every new card, you'd select Comment on a Card and then write your desired comment. This helps us because it saves us from having to repeat the same action every time a certain event occurs. Having set the trigger in action, simply click Save to implement your new rule. Let me explain why this matters. It's all about efficiency. Every time the trigger event happens, Butler will carry out the action for you automatically. It's like having a virtual assistant on your Trello board. But rules aren't the only things Butler can do. It also has commands, which are more complex automations. To create a command, go to the Butler dashboard and select the Commands tab. Click Create a New Command, and then specify your trigger and action, just like with rules. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Butler is creating a series of actions rather than just one, allowing for more advanced automation. The final step entails saving your command. This is important because it ensures your command is activated and ready to help streamline your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to use Trello's Butler rules and commands to save time and improve efficiency on your boards. Keep exploring the world of Butler to discover more ways it can simplify your Trello experience. Until next time, happy organizing.